I'm Jenn Swartz with Treeline Realty, and today I'm exploring one of D.R. Horton's newest communities, Asher Park. Let's go take a look. I'm here with Ellie Stevenson, D.R. Horton site specialist. Thank you so much for taking a minute to sit down with me, Ellie.
Oh, you're welcome. So I am a site specialist here at Asher Park by D.R. Horton, which is one of D.R. Horton's newest communities. And this community is mostly all about location. We are less than 2 miles drive to I-75, so easy for commuters or people that just want to be near the fun of Fort Myers, but not necessarily in the hustle and bustle over there. And so we are building 277 single-family homes in a gated environment. And we're going to have a mixture of townhomes and single-family homes at very reasonable prices. We have an everything's included philosophy, so all of the finishes that you see in our homes are included, including impact glass. So hurricane-proof glass, no need to have shutters. We have reasonable fees, no CDD, which is huge and not in a flood zone.
Wow, that's great. So as a resident of Asher Park, what can they expect as far as amenities are concerned?
So we tried not to go too crazy because we really wanted to keep the fees reasonable for people. So we are in the process of almost completing a very large resort-style pool. It will have lap lanes in it too, plenty of seating around. We will have a children's playground and a large fitness room. And the whole community will have street lamps and sidewalks, so it'll be very walkable.
Wonderful. Also, what comes standard in every home here at D.R. Horton?
Okay, so in this particular community, I mentioned already impact glass, which is one of my favorite options. We tried to put things that people were previously upgrading to. So we have today's looks as far as tile, the white contemporary that looks like plank. We have quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances. We include the washer dryer, and then for the buyer's convenience, we also include window blinds and just very nice, easy breezy finishes.
Wonderful. All of these homes are just about move-in ready. So that's going to be really great for people who are looking.
We do have quite a few move-in ready options, as well as options that we will keep building for further time frames as well.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to sit down with me and chat for a few minutes. I really appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome to the Alex model. Let's go take a look inside. I'm here in the Alex model. This beautiful 1,500 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers quartz countertops, white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, hurricane impact glass. You can enjoy the beautiful view of the pond from the backyard. This home is currently being offered at $359,000. I'm standing outside of the Harper model. Let's go take a look. This gorgeous home boasts of almost 1,700 square foot of living space. It offers 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, wood floor tile, and even the washer and dryer are included in this home. This home is being offered at $409,000. I'm standing outside of the Jemison model. Let's go take a look. Welcome to the Jemison model. This home offers just a little over 1,600 square foot of living space. It's a 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bathroom home. It's going to come with quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, wood look tile floor, and the washer and dryer are also included. And if that's not enough, this home offers a gorgeous water and preserve view and comes with hurricane impact glass as well. This home is being offered at $397,000.
Thank you for joining us on the video tour of Asher Park with Jenn Swartz, Realtor at Treeline Realty. We hope you enjoyed the journey and discovered the charm of this beautiful community. Stay tuned for more exciting tours, and until next time, take care and keep exploring.